Leaders and citizens of Switzerland, this is a message from Sweden.
Okay. Well, hello Sweden. I really like the spirit of your campaign, and it was indeed time to end the confusion between countries. At least now, Swaziland, they have changed their name to Eswatini, so there is only one possible confusion between Sweden and Switzerland. But let me tell you about a few differences, additional differences between our two countries, and especially here in the United States of America. Okay, I know. Everyone goes to IKEA to eat the world-famous meatballs, but everyone loves their raclette and their fondue. There is Swiss cheese here, so serious competition, frankly. Speaking of IKEA, a real example of Swedish engineering, Swedish ingenuity, Swedish simplicity. How would you put all this furniture together, this coffee table, this bed, this couch, without a proper instrument? And the proper instrument, the proper tool, is the Swiss knife. Very reliable and very multifunctional. Well, let's speak a little bit about fashion. Of course, all over the United States you will find H&M stores or the great Swedish backpacks. But wherever I look in this country, from DC all the way to California, from Maine to Alaska, people are running on running shoes. And they are from Switzerland. And their brand ambassador is none but the great Roger Federer. Now, all joking aside, Sweden is the 14th biggest foreign direct investor in the American economy. Guess what? We are number 7. Well, it shows that you can, as a small country, have a global impact. We are both small but mighty. Yes, Sweden, we do recognize that you do have an impact in the United States of America, and there is so much we share. We share the same passion for entrepreneurship, for technology, but also for human rights, for the rule of law, for democracy, for freedom. So hey, you're a great partner. But there is something that you don't have, and that's a great website that's describing your impact in the United States of America. So can I invite you, Sweden, and also all of our American listeners, to come and see our website, Swiss Impact, because it speaks about innovation, it speaks about economic cooperation, scientific cooperation, culture, and international partnership. But now, in true Swiss fashion, I have to be punctual. That's why I have a beautiful Swiss watch. But, before leaving, I really would like to make a toast to our differences, also to our similarities, and to a world of beautiful destinations. Heja Sverige! Oh, dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine. Oh, wrong song. Can we have another song, please?